There's a rumour you may hear about a place that you can find where the heartbeat of the city is just the local state of mind. It's in the laughter on the foreshore and the coffee as it grinds. It's in the spokes of the wheels, dodging traffic, saving time. It's in the shoes that hit the pavement and getting flowers for a friend. It's in the picture-perfect skyline and the sunsets that never end. It's a place to build a lifestyle, one that's yours and yours alone, where you nod at those who understand why we call this place our home. Because this isn't just a place you live, it becomes a part of who you are, the center of your everything. Welcome home to Civic Heart. Luxurious South Perth apartments. Visit civicheart.com.au.